and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ, and this is our comment video for tonight's $half hunt live stream. At 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, we're going to be hunting these 3 boxes. We have NF String & Sons and 2 boxes of the Yellow Loomis rolls, looking for silver, proofs, errors, varieties, anything to add to our collection. Hopefully we find a bunch of silver to give away tonight. But even if we don't find silver in the boxes, we will still have these 4 giveaways, and there's 2 easy ways to enter. First off, comment on this video. That gets you entered into these 2 giveaways. We'll pick the winner for this 1964 Kennedy on our regular Saturday winners video, and we'll pick the winner for this beautiful 1957 Benji at the end of the stream using a random comment picker. Then be active during the stream to enter into these 2 giveaways. First off, it's a pair of 1967 Kennedys, and second is going to be a 1963 Denver Benji. So again, it's easy to enter. Comment on this video, be active in the chat. We hope to see you there. We hope to find a bunch of silver to give away. But even if we don't find silver, we'll give these away. We'll have a lot of fun talking to everybody and chatting with everybody, getting to know everybody. So we will see you there, 6 o'clock Central Standard Time.